Hello, everyone, and welcome to Heidi's Home. So, the cold weather has definitely hit here in West Virginia, and so today I am making a giant pot of chili so that we can eat on it for a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, because chili is awesome. Because not only can you just eat it as chili, but you can eat it on top of a baked potato, and you can make a cornbread topping for it. It's fabulous. So I am showing you here all the ingredients that I use to make the chili. And I started off with some ground sirloin, a large onion, bell pepper, 4 cans of kidney beans, 4 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 small jars of salsa, and then I added in some chili seasoning mix, and I used 2 packs of that. And I will tell you, it was good and spicy and amazing. So the first thing that I did realize is that, yes, I did have the dark red kidney beans, but I only had 3, so I accidentally had opened a black bean. But you know what? We're going to utilize it anyways because I opened it and I don't like to waste. So I'm just going to rinse it along with the kidney beans and add it to the chili. And you know what? You could not tell a single difference in the recipe. So I'm just giving these beans a really good thorough rinse. So at this time that I am doing this voiceover, the trick-or-treaters are hitting our town. However, we have not had any door knocks at all because it is super cold here and pouring down the rain. And so I kind of figured it would hinder some of the kids' plans to go out tonight and trick-or-treat here where we live. So I have already drained this sirloin meat, and I am just making sure that it's nice and broke up and there's no giant clumps or anything. And actually, this meat come from Aldi, and it cooked up really, really good. And it really added to this chili. A good meat is sometimes hard to find in the grocery store, especially at a reasonable price. But this was actually really, really good. So I'm adding in all those beans. And I have to tell you, at this point, I'm kind of holding my breath, like wondering, is everything going to fit into this pot? Because the pot is, well, it's big, but it's pretty full just with the beans and the meat and the onion and the bell pepper. So I will tell you, it did work out, and it was plenty big, and it made an exceptional chili. Now we're going to switch up to a little bit of a different angle. I'm going to be making some Mexican corn casserole to go with our chili tonight. So if you have never made this, it is so easy. I have 1 stick of melted butter. I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup to a cup of sour cream. I'm using the low fat. I'm using a drain can of whole kernel corn, 1 can of cream of corn, 1 can of Rotel, and you can choose whatever Rotel that you like. You could do super spicy. I believe that I'm just using the original because that's what I bought. And then also I'm going to add in 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix. And once I get all of that good and combined, I add in a good handful, and I would say it was probably close to a cup of the Fiesta blend cheese. I pour it into a sprayed 9x13 glass pan. I sprinkle a little more cheese on the top, and I baked it on 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it was nice and golden brown on the top. So it's nice and golden brown out of the oven, and it smells heavenly. I'm going to plate this up, but you guys get to see me plate up not only my corn casserole, but also putting my chili into a bowl. And I hope you enjoyed this video, but stay tuned because I'm going to end this video with an Aldi haul. And it will be my November 1st Aldi haul. And yeah, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, I'm just getting back from the store. It is actually Halloween today. And so this will be groceries for November. I got a few things for Thanksgiving. And Ronnie and I usually buy a couple turkeys because, believe it or not, they're actually cheaper than ground beef. And you can do a lot with turkey meat. Casseroles, like you do chicken salad, you can do turkey salad. You could do just turkey and gravy, you know, like a Thanksgiving. But yes, very affordable. And so that's what I got there was a butterball turkey. I believe they were 77 cents a pound today. And I thought, you know what? And just in case I don't get another one this month, I have one for Thanksgiving, and that will covered. And we're good. So anyhow, did get quite a few items, and so I'm going to share with you. It is cold today, so I came home, made myself a green tea. I'm sipping on, just trying to get the blood pumping. After getting everything all situated, I'm sitting my my tea down. So we got some spicy guacamole. We got some hot pepper hummus there. Also got me some Gallia apples. a thing of grapes, some russet potatoes, a salad mix. This is not the usual one that I get all the time, but this is the only one they had, and it will do for what I'm going to use it for. Again, going to use it for taco salad as well as a chicken salad. So that'll be easy done there. Not the usual burger patties, however, a really good deal. These are the 85% lean all beef patties. I don't know how many's in here. I didn't actually count or see if it says. I think it says there's 10 in here. Or no, it says 100% from beef burgers. Anyways, I don't know how many's in here. I'm sure it says on the package. I'm just not seeing it. But anyways, you can see there's quite a few in there, and I think we'll get definitely more than one meal out of those. So last time I got the cheddar brats for Ronnie, and I got the chicken sausages for myself. Ronnie liked the chicken sausages better, so I opted and got 2 of the chicken sausages this time. Better for us anyways, and they tasted really, really good, so I really suggest these. These were delicious. Got some bacon for Thanksgiving for making some green beans, some boneless, skinless chicken breast. About knocked the camera out of my hand. Boneless, skinless chicken breast right there. I've got 3 1-pound rolls of, and I don't even know if I can get to the front, it's so cold. Ground turkey meat, got 3 of those. This makes for good chili. It makes good spaghetti, and it's cheap. It is very cheap. It's like $2 and something a roll, so a lot cheaper than hamburger meat. Some low-fat cream cheese, some butter. I'm almost out of Ziploc bags, so I got a thing of Ziploc bags. Some extra taco seasonings, because we go through those like water. I got me 2 sugar-free vanilla puddings. Some almond bark. This is the chocolate. Some Ritz crackers. This is their brand, of course. Let's see what else we got back here. Got some hot sauce. Ronnie and I have been on a hot sauce kick, and we just finished one of these bottles off. So I bought another one. A thing of zesty Italian dressing. We're going to be making the chicken parmesan again. A thing of refried beans. Some light sour cream. 2 things of stuffing mix. This is the herb. We've got saltine crackers. A thing of tacos. It's not the usual ones that I buy, but a lot cheaper than the ones I bought. And we're going to have to watch our spending, so yeah, we're getting into Christmas and all that, so we're watching. Some chicken tenderloins, and let's see what else. Oh, missed these. I got 2 of the Italian seasonings, as well as 2 of the garlic powder, which I use a ton of. If you ever watch any of my videos, I use a ton of that. Let's see what else we got. I don't know if I showed you, but a giant thing of russet potatoes, a big thing of mozzarella cheese here. So, yep. I think this is an 8-cup bag, so it'll last us, should last us the month. Some cottage cheese, some sauerkraut in a jar, which I love. That's my favorite. Some sugar-free hazelnut coffee creamer. That's been my go-to, and I actually like it better than the expensive ones from Walmart. Some fish for Ronnie because he likes it. This has been my go-to, pretzel slims. I've been buying these. They're not real high in calorie, and I'll eat like 10 of them with like hummus or guacamole. Really good snack. Some sliced turkey. A thing of sliced cheese. Also got some zero-carb tortillas. I use these all the time. They're really good with this in them, with a little bit of salad. especially if I need to take my lunch, which I will have a couple days and I'll need to do that, and some wheat bread for Ron. And yeah, that's all I bought from the store. I think I did really, really well. Went to Ohio today. So, you know, where I live, you can get to Ohio or Kentucky really, really fast. So I went shopping in Ohio at a different Aldi today to try to see if they had different stuff than the one that I usually hit. Also, there's no tax on food there, so that's a win-win. But I want to conclude. Thank you so much for watching this channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what? Show me some love and give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, subscribe. And I'll be seeing you Monday. So have a fantastic day or night whenever you see this. I'm going to get all this up, and I'm going to go heat up some leftovers for supper. And then I'm headed to the gym. So have a great evening or day whenever you guys watch this. And I'll be talking to you again soon. Bye, guys.